Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy TradingView Premium, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart on the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the profile icon which is at top left corner. Just click over there and now you can see your username at first. So once you hover on it, you can see profile option at second, so you need to click on that option and you will be redirected to your profile page where you can see upgrade now option at the top right corner at the right side of your user icon. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to the browser where you need to scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see the options to buy the premium. So you can also try for free for 30 days as well if you buy this premium. And yeah, this is how you can buy TradingView Premium, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.